Hi friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and to 100 Days of Pockets. Today we are creating a seed packet inspired pocket. And I have this gold paper and I thought it looked pretty close to seed packet colored paper, which when I envisioned that, I envisioned like a natural paper, almost like a paper bag. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off by folding this paper into thirds. Now you're going to fold the bottom up about a ½ inch. You want a flap to be visible, so grab a pair of scissors and you're going to cut out the right side of this three-way fold, and then you're going to cut the left side. Now while I'm working on that, I want to mention to you that this collaboration has been created by Cindy A. Lewis, and I am co-hosting along with her. Each of us will have a video every day for 100 days sharing how to make different pockets. Be sure to check out Cindy's booklet. It is available in her Ko-Fi shop, and I have the link to that down in my description box. I also wanted to mention to you that we would love it if you would share your makes in our Facebook groups. The name of my Facebook group is Creating with Jovi Journals and Crafts. Now I'm going to use my scissors to round the corners on the bottom flap. I'm going to glue the two sides together, and then I'm going to glue the bottom. We're now ready for the fun part. So I grabbed a couple of pieces of decorative paper and I cut them to size to fit the seed pocket. I'm going to use my Aleene's Tacky Glue to adhere one of the decorative papers to the front and one to the back. Then I'm going to come in with these really pretty stickers. They are bird stickers. This one I'm going to put in the lower right-hand corner. Both of these stickers that I'm going to use today have a 3D effect to them. I think they're super, super pretty. So this one's going to go onto the back. I've cut two pieces of decorative paper to size, and they're going to go inside of the seed pocket. I want to apologize because during parts of the video I was almost off camera, so please forgive me for that. Please check out Cindy A. Lewis's video today, and thanks for watching. See you soon.